Hey guys, just a quick little video here. Sorry for the background noise. I'm really not at home, but I'm excited. I got this guy right here, the Z Fold 5G. I got it in bronze. First time looking at it. Haven't opened it yet. And it's unlocked version. So I got the unlocked version. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this little cool thing just comes off, just slides off, and you kind of flip it open like that and then change the shape of the feature. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 5G, reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience, unlock endless versatility, enjoy universe engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. So pretty cool. That's that. And then we got the classic Samsung. We got star of the show, but let's put it away. Basically in this little guy we probably have just paperwork, no case this year. They had a case for the last one, but let's see what we got. Do they even have the SIM card tray removal tool? I feel like they're being super stingy with this phone, even though it's like $2,000, but let's see. Oh yeah, they do have the SIM card tray removal. Such a big thing for that little guy. And then some quick start guide and some warranty stuff. And the Samsung Care if you want to get the warranty for it. So that's that. And then we got the star of the show right here. So it has a bunch of care instructions, basically things not to do. And then we got the phone here. When using a wireless charger, fold the device and place the center of the device back on the center of the wireless charger. So you're not supposed to charge it with it being open. Let's get away from that. And then so it has the Premier service. Basically they have dedicated tech support for you, and they replace your screen one time for $149. So that's pretty good. After that I think it's like $5.99 or something. So that's that. And then we got a fast charger. I believe it's only 25 watts. Yep, so they got the fast charger, USB-C, and then we've got the USB-C to USB-C cable, and I don't think we have the transfer thing. Nope, they don't include the transfer adapter. So again, a little bit disappointing that there is no headphones or anything like that. For $2,000 you're just getting the phone and a charger, but I guess that's what it comes with premium, you know. So this is star of the show right here. Got the bronze color. So let's go ahead and take off this plastic. It's going to be hard doing it one-handed, but we will try. So let's put it this way. I know it's just to take care of it, but I'm this far in. I can do this. There you go. And then one last bit of plastic on the back. There we go. So we got the device right here. Yes, you can see the crease, but once you actually start using the phone, the crease becomes less and less visible, kind of like the notch. And then the flex display, so it stops at various places. So the new flex mode, and that gives you kind of a satisfying click. Fingerprint magnet already, so I'll probably put on a screen protector or something on it if they make them. I don't even know if they make them, but pretty cool. And then it opens up to be this huge ass display. Now I'm probably going to put in my main SIM card in there, kind of scary. I have an iPhone, so I'm gonna try it out for a week or two, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the results. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and like, and see you guys next time.